So hello guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you the first affiliate commission I earned using this platform. Okay, so you may already know the platform that I'm talking about. I've been using this platform for about 2 months now. So if you are a complete beginner in making money online or affiliate marketing or freelancing, then you could watch this video. And if you like the content, you can hit the subscribe button to this video. So what happens is that let me just tell you a little bit story about my journey. Okay, so it's been 2 months. I started using this platform to promote affiliate program as well as to promote my own service. Okay, funnel building service. So what happened is that I'm currently not running any ads. I mean, not talking about the paid ads. Okay, so I'm not running paid ads. So what I was doing is that I was posting the good content on Facebook pages, okay, as well as making YouTube videos, okay. So through that, I made few leads, and few of them have started using my affiliate link and have joined this platform. As you can see here, 23 leads, which mean that the people I promote this platform as well. So what happened is that through my link, people have joined this platform. There are 23 people, and recently someone made let's say someone made a purchase, so through that I earned this $4 commission. Okay, this could be nothing for you because $4 is nothing, right? But for me it is something. The reason I'm saying something is because I was not sure if I could do this. I was not sure like what strategy that I should be following. I was not sure if I am will be succeed or fail. I was like, okay, let's try, right? So I did everything I could, and at the end of the day, I took about 2 months, by the way, to just earn this commission. Okay, so you may be something like you may even earn more. Okay, but in my case, I just on this one and I just wanted to show you. So one thing I want to say is that this platform allows also you to promote the product that are already here. So as you can see, there is a marketplace here. And by the way, there is a different section where you can see the marketplace. Otherwise, even in your own affiliate dashboard, you can see here marketplace offers, where you can see the product that you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, so let me show you the first product that I'm interested in currently, and I'm not promoting this for now. So what happens on this platform is that you will find a product that you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, so when you click on each product, you will be presented with two links here. In some product you will find one link. So let's say here you can see two links. One is for opt-in page and the other one for sales page. Okay, you as an affiliate always want to promote or want to use the sales page link. Okay, so you will make your own opt-in page, of course, using the platform, and in the backend you will be building your email list. Okay, and then when you promote the product, you will use this link. I mean, this is the link here, this is your affiliate link. So through this you will earn the commission. Okay, so you need to make sure that you always promote the sales page. This is the exact sales page, but you will make your own sales, I mean opt-in page. All right, so this is how you can do this. It takes some time, okay, and effort as well. It's not so easy things, and it's not even get rich quick. It's not like some kind of a scam. Okay, it's not like that. It's a real thing. You help people to get what they want, and you get what you want. Okay, so first of all, you need to solve a problem. Let's say someone is looking for a let's say platform, right? They want to promote their product, right? They want to sell their course. Maybe they are a freelancer, want to promote their service, but they are not too much familiar with the WordPress, or maybe these people, let's say some people are like, they feel like so much expensive going with any other tool, so they find this tool is very free and very easy to use. So you can come in and say, hey, you know what, this is the free platform that you can use, and in future, let's say Currently I already showed you, I have already around 23 people. They have already gone through my link and joined the platform. Okay, so they are on a free plan. So in future, if they ever buy or purchase any of the product, then I will earn a commission. So I'm also helping them and I'm also earning commission. So it is win-win for everyone. All right. So that's all, guys. This is all I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. I'll be back with a new video. Till then.